Let it be known, I survived a mid-spoon sneeze so violent the puree hit 3 walls and emotionally scarred the dog. I still find sweet potato in my eyelash.
Oh, please. You sneezed like a deflating pool toy and hit Grandma in the eye. Twice. She still flinches at carrots.
The puree splattered the wall like a Jackson Pollock painting titled Despair and Butternut. It was art, tragic, orange-tinted art.
And let's not forget, you were rocking that bib like it was Met Gala for drool bags. Haute couture, now with banana crust.
It was a limited edition Peppa Pig bib, okay? I was dripped out until I was literally dripped on.
You looked like you lost a food fight with a blender. I nearly called emergency services.
My nose betrayed me. 1 minute, I'm tasting mango joy. The next, I'm weaponizing it like fruity napalm.
At least your sneeze didn't hit Dad's open laptop. The man's calendar still smells like apples.
The moral? Never trust a sneeze or a bib with Velcro. That thing turned on me like a snitch.
She still flinches at carrots.